In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your LinkedIn profile public in just 5 minutes. A public profile allows potential employers and networking connections to easily find and view your achievements, fostering new opportunities. Let's get started. Begin by opening a web browser and heading over to linkedin.com. If you're not signed in yet, navigate to the sign in page. Here you have several options for logging in. You can choose to sign in using your Google or Apple account, or you can enter your email address and password manually. This flexibility allows you to choose the most convenient and secure method of accessing your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your LinkedIn account, which is a great way to add an extra layer of security, you might be prompted to verify your login by entering a code sent to your phone. Make sure your device is nearby to ensure a smooth sign-in process. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to your LinkedIn homepage. From there, locate and click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. This will reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled View Profile. This takes you directly to your profile page, which is your personal hub on LinkedIn. Now look at the right hand side of your profile page. Here you'll find the edit icon next to public profile and URL. Clicking on this icon will lead you to a new page called Edit Your Public Profile. This feature isn't just about visibility, it's about controlling what aspects of your LinkedIn profile the public can see. Once you're on the Edit Your Public Profile page, scroll down to find the Edit Visibility section, located on the right side of your screen. In this section there's an option labeled Your Profile's Public Visibility. Toggle this setting to On. Doing so ensures that everyone, even those who aren't connected to you on LinkedIn, can view your profile. This opens up your professional identity to a broader audience, making it easier for potential employers and colleagues to connect with you. By completing these steps, you've successfully made your LinkedIn profile public. This adjustment enhances your online presence and broadens your networking potential, making you more accessible to anyone interested in your professional journey. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you've expanded your visibility on LinkedIn, taking an essential step in personal branding and career growth. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.